Politricks watch. This is RP. Now, lately I've been noticing a decline in the sale of unicorns, and now I know why. Now I start to realize we have stiff competition. I'm going to be talking about gathering today. I'm going to be talking specifically about, I don't know if it's a documentary or a feature, I don't know what you'd call it, but something will appear on TVJ as they were discussing the whole incident surrounding the 16-year-old who lost his life, the William Nib student. It's real spooky. Before I'm going further, I want to send a special patron birthday shout out to Mom Chanel. Now, I don't know if I want to see them name, they know it's a boss name. Right? Mom Chanel has been a long time supporter of the movement, been on Patreon for a while. So I know so the whole family are tuning in this morning for your special day. So Mom Chanel, big up yourself. Right? Hope you have a great day, live long and prosper. Right? And if you have to choose between buying gathering and unicorn, buy the unicorn. See, so big up yourself. We can move into the video. Now as you already heard me say, the program was on TVJ. You can check it out on their YouTube channel. Even though many of your favorite platforms don't believe in quoting the source and giving credit to where the original content come from, right? We're not gonna follow them, right? So I'm telling you where it come from, right? It's on TVJ YouTube channel. You can check it out for yourself. I think the title of the video is called Gatherings. Now I'm gonna play a small clip, right? Just a very small clip because I want to hear this for yourself if you believe it. Check this out.
These rings are not just a fashion statement. For some schoolboys out west, the precious metals mean much more.
You see them with at least 2 guard rings, and they will tell you that their guard rings are fully loaded. When you ask, fully loaded with what? The guzu, quote unquote, obia.
We're told that in some instances, boys pay close to $200,000 for oils and crystals to be placed inside the ring, which they believe provides them with some form of protection. It's why they guard it with their life.
So that was one of the 2 things that stand out to me. It's soon you the second one. Now, let me ask this question. When schoolboy I get money to buy $200,000 gathering. $200,000 gathering? You see, we don't need to understand the laws of economics, the business, whether it's formal economy, informal economy, bread, rice, right, gathering in the matter. Whatever the market is willing to pay for it, that's what they must set the price at. So that's why when you hear 20,000, you know why they can't charge so much? Because that's how much people willing to pay. People are willing to pay $200,000 for a gathering. And you notice, when you miss a schoolboy, can somebody point me in the direction of the job where schoolboy have if you buy $200,000 gathering? Which work schoolboy have if you buy them something? Wouldn't you find that strange? I wouldn't use lunch money? Right. Is inflation in Jamaica so bad that lunch money is now $200,000? $200,000 for gathering. Mind-blowing stuff. I mean, we know enough of them though, right, if you make this money. But that's for a separate day. Because we don't know the whole scamming thing and gathering business, you don't know it's intertwined, right? Yeah. But we could leave that for another day. Just know say your favorite Jamaican schoolboy, right, I pay upwards of $200,000 for gathering. The next thing we want to talk about, and it's in the CMTVJ feature. Somebody was saying that the residents them are now saying that the reason why the youth lose him life is because, the gathering, a part of the ritual was that somebody had to lose them life. So it was like a sacrifice. Let me say this to you right now. You know, enough people like you them telling them hear that. I said them believe that and them thing in real. This is only if you understand. It not for real to you. You just have for real to the somebody who believe in it. If Jamaican youth, if Jamaican schoolboys are walking around thinking say them want get gathering, and to make gathering official, them have to trade one live feet, then that right there so? Well, I have to tell you how dangerous that is. Now, just so we're clear, so as far as I'm concerned, this was two youth get into an argument, right? Them start fight, right? Man stab man and kill man. But I'm a very pragmatic person, right? I'm all about the logic, I'm all about the reason. And I know it's enough, man, right? Believing in the whole, you know, if you want this, then you have to sacrifice this, forget this. That type of people believe in these things. So if we have Jamaican schoolboys who are walking around believing this, as some of the residents must say, then it's very spooky. I've seen some videos of people, right? So them have gathering and you see them take one chicken and cut off chicken and drain blood on the ring finger. Or you see, remember the now infamous video of the man who will drink from the goat head, right? Right, you see, I tell you, play spooky. Play spooky like one of them dopey show there. Like a Freddy Krueger or a Jason or something like that. Nightmare on Elm Street. But when time when you see schoolboy take out them things there, right? When you know so we are living in some serious times. When you see schoolboy pay upwards of $200,000 to get gathering, a man convince them have to take life for this and that. Because let's go back to the same case. If the youth them argue, right? Because the same gathering where them argue over, apparently it did, you know, it was, let's just say it did aisle down with a special ring from what we are here, right? So if one of the youth them believe say them need to take life to make things seal up, what kind of benefit them are see if them they behind bars, if them they in a jail? Then again, as me say, this thing is not operating on logic and reason. Teachers I say, Pitney I tell them to them not take off the ring. Check it out on TVJ, up on TVJ YouTube channel. Pitney I tell teachers to them not take on the gathering because the gathering will protect them. And if the gathering come off, they might get hurt. And they need the protection, right, from them rivals or them enemies or whoever. These are school children we're talking about. These are schoolers. What kind of activities them involved in? If we need gathering, if we feel like they need protection. Very spooky. Man, I said them take off gathering no time at all. So that means they then go home in a gathering, parents sit in a gathering, and say what to them. Don't be surprised if I see them parent buy them the gathering. Don't be surprised if I the parent, right, tell them say make sure say, you know, one time I go to school and then your parents them tell you say, you have this, you have that, make sure you have this, make sure you have that, you know. Look like so nowadays they must say, you have the gathering, make sure you have it one year, you know, cause the place is spooky. All my crowd was shape made when time I see the feature. If you know, so this is the thing reach. And this is Jamaican youth say. Insane. No one in nobody now buy me unicorn them. Cause I notice that sales are drop 30%. Every month 30% sales drop. But no one a unicorn again. Unicorn too lame. Unicorn too predictable. Right. And they want gathering protection. This is a multi-million-dollar industry. But it's in our schools. Them hear the man them sing about it. It sounds so cool. Right. But it no cool when time it end like we see where the schoolboy kill schoolboy. But welcome to Jamrock. The place where a man tell you say he can't afford a textbook, but he can afford a $20,000 gathering. Insane. Anyway, Patreon squad, pick up himself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.